Si Coach Ryan Gregorio of Pure Foods. And meantime, we'll send you over Paulo Trillo.
Salamat, Miko. Yung Pure Foods CJ Giants, they only need 1 win out of their next 3 games to notch the first overall slot dito sa ating elimination round. Pero para kay Coach Ryan Gregorio, yung motivation ng kanyang team today is that they are in playoff mode. Para sa kanya daw, this is a do-or-die game. Never mind the fact that they've only played 2 games in the past 22 days. Sabi sa kanya, the rustiness is not an excuse for them here. They have to come out and look at this game as a do-or-die game para sa Pure Foods CJ Giants.
You know, I really like how Ryan motivates his players. That's why I love calling him the beacon of determination and the paragon of persistence. Ganun.
Hindi pa nga niya pinakain ng husto ng Pasko sa bagong taon eh.
Hindi dapat dahil nung araw ng Pasko, sila po ipinahiya ng Hinebra. And that's why you really expect them to go all out today.
Nanood pa naman si Baby James nun.
Correct.
Di ba?
Ang Coca-Cola naman, ito rin, natapos ang kanilang 2007 with a loss.
To Air 21.
Oo, pinatid ng Air 21 yung kanilang what was a very impressive 5-game winning streak, talk of the town actually. And normally for teams who see their winning streak snap, yung susunod na kalaban, yun ang pinagbabayan nila.
Ito parehong pagbabayarin.
Kaya this is going to be a very interesting contest.
Oo. So let's see who wants it more. Parang gano'n, di ba?
First itong Pure Foods, gunning for an outright seed in the semifinals. And why is that so important, Barry?
Well, very important na dun sa ating nakikita natin itong automatic semifinals. 5 of the last 6 champions in a conference, ano? So virtually naging automatic semifinalist eh. So pag nandun ka na kasi, ang lowest ang pwede mong maging placing dyan fourth na, di ba? At naman sa top 4 ka na eh. Tapos yung makakalaban mo doon, bugbog na bugbog na.
Siyempre, there is always this long debate whether or not mas pabor ba sa yung team na automatic entry.
Marami nagsasabi ng ganun
haba ng pahinga, kakalawangin, and so on and so forth. But at the end of the day, your goal, any team in the PBA, is to go as far as you can.
Yeah.
So kung papipiliin ka, nung papahinga ka matagal, pero semifinals ka na, or pagpapagbukbog ka,
Hindi na.
no coach in the world will say, may pabay-bumahin na lang kami.
No coach in his mind, they will say that. Ayokong dumiretso sa semi.
But first, with Coach Biggie Fabi, yes, no other recourse. Wala na silang pag-asang umabot dun sa
Habolan lang niya quarterfinals eh. Dahil pwede pa naman silang dumiretso sa quarters, baka sakali. Kesa naman tumaka dun sa wild card, di ba? Actually, isang team pa lang ang nalalaglag at laglag na. Isang team lang naman ang malalaglag at yan, the classification round eh. At yun yung well-coated, dahil lang well-coated, 3-13 na yung record.
This ball game is underway, and Roger Yap will score the first basket of the afternoon. Ang ating mga opisyalis, Wilbert Colanag, Robert Fink Jr., and the Chief Justice for today's game is Boyd Cruz. Veterano rin tayo.
Veterano na yung tatlong yan,
Meantime, here's Mark Dalan.
Masama sa Coca-Cola, 2 turnover sa kaagad eh, no? Sila nga nanalo sa jump ball, pero nawala kay Kabagnot kanina yung ball at ngayon meron naman turnover sa dribble nitong si Mark Dalan.
Starting for the Pure Foods, Tender Juicy Giants, sila ang mga naka-fighting red uniforms. Romel Adukol, James Yap, Mark Fink, Roger Yap, and Fergie Raimundo. Talan with the rebound, and Talan starts the ball game with Chester Tolopia, Kenneth Durendes, si Taulaban, and Kabagnot.
Hindi pa kasi binigay kaagad ni Talan yung bola. Sana he decided to bring it down. Nakatabi na niya itong si Alex Cabagnot.
And this early, umiinit na ang ulo ni Bombastic Barry Pascua. Hindi ba?
Bagong taon na
Yun. Is that one of your resolutions?
I will try.
Try not to get deep.
Yeah.
Okay, ito, Pingree top of the key. Here's James Yap trying to go behind the back. Top defender on him. Yan si Chester Tolopia. Yan talaga designated stopper ng Coca-Cola. And Fergie Raimundo with a TM3.
Shot selection, ha? Pumasok. 3 points. Kay Kirby Raimundo. Bagay, alam mo, kahit nasa-naso yung team yan na tinitira niya eh.
That's one facet of his game that he is really dead set on improving.
And kaya naman lumalakas ang loob itong si Kirby Raimundo na tumira ng tres nantong si Romero Ducol eh. Yun yung pulot po nila eh.
Hey, Kabagdon! Knocks it home! With his own TM3, sagutan ng 3-point basket dito. Naman pa rin ang Pure Foods Pad 3. And Dukol operates inside, trying to go off the glass. A bit wild. Pingris goes up without the basketball. That's going to be a foul. Most likely against Kenneth Durende.
Alam mo, pag nandyan yung Pingris sa kadukol sa ilalim para sa Pure Foods, ang tatag eh, no? Ang sigurado makakuha ng rebounds eh. So Mark Pingris, bibigyan ng lang sa rin si Kerber Raimundo eh. Pero makasama niyan sa loob itong si Pingris at si Adukol. So, pwede talaga siyang tumira sa labas.
But sometimes Pingris comes off the bench. Kung minsan si Ray Evangelista
or larong yan eh, di ba? Yung spot na yan eh.
Because Pingris gives you so much energy when he comes off the bench. Pag laylay na yung kalaban, you put in Mark Pingris and all that energy.
Lalo na yung kalaban.
Yun. Mas todo bumbog pa yung kalaban. 2 out of 2.
What does this mean? Ano, talaga seryoso itong Pure Foods laban dito sa Coca-Cola. Gusto itong manalo na ngayon dahil sinimula na nga si Pingris eh.
Over 2 minutes having gone by the opening quarter.
Probably a jackpot start. Ganun gusto itong Pure Foods na mangyari. Pakayawin ka agad yung Coca-Cola sa umpisa eh. No?
Here's Roger Yap. Captain Marbel with the basketball. He's trying to go coast to coast here. Sobra yung kanyang layup.
At saka pinahirapan siya sa depensa doon. Di rin na nakita yung goal eh.
Here's Adukol against Telan. Here's Raimundo. Raimundo got the loose ball. Pinasa kay James Yap. 8 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Yap is fouled.
Nahilo sa Tolomia doon sa ikot ito si James Yap at parang umawak sa San Mabide eh. Dahil babagsak na itong si Tolomia.
First person na laban kay Tolomia, second team foul against the Tigers. Approaching the 9-minute mark of the opening quarter. Oh, nice move by Kirby. That could not finish, and Taulav against the rebound. Bagsak si Adukol. Here's Kabagdon. Kabagdon steps on the brakes. Over to Tolomia. Hindi nakita si Adukol. Blocking the shot from behind, and Taulav is fouled.
Hindi binilang ni Tolomia yung tao ng Pure Foods eh. Ilan ba sila?
Si Roger Yap ang natawagan ng foul as first person on first team foul laban sa Pure Foods, sending Taulava to the line.
7-3 is a score. At ito sa Taulava, kumanta yung free throw shooting yan. Nandito sa Coca-Cola eh, no?
Alam mo, ano talaga eh, as he really found a renaissance sa kanyang career dito sa kanyang paglipat with the Coca-Cola Tigers.
Isang interview nga sa kanya, sinabi niya, itong si Binky Fabis is his savior. He was thinking of retiring.
Well, right now, Taulava is thinking about getting the Tigers as far as he can humanly bring them to.
Probably thinking of another most valuable player award. Pwede yun eh, di ba?
Well, he's certainly the most valuable player on this Coca-Cola lineup, no doubt. Dahil mula nung sa'yo dumating, ang kanilang kartada, 5 wins and 2 losses. Considering that they were once upon a time. One win in 7 losses. Ang napakalaking difference.
May 8-game losing streak sila eh, no? Dahil nung dumating si Taulava, nagkaalis na sila sa Alaska.
Interception by Roger Yap. Sa may pasa kay James Yap na agaw ni Kabagdon. Baba yung pasa ni Roger Yap. 2-point lead for Pure Foods. Durentes. Eyeball to eyeball with Romel Adukol. And now Taulava for 3. Taulava, drop pass. Colombia will score.
Taulava went 2 out of 2 from the 3-point area. Baka nasa isip pa niya yun eh. And he was wide open for that shot.
Here's James Yap, nakawala.
At the first deadlock natin ito, 7-all. Tolomia, pangalawang foul niya. Medyo mahirap ang kanyang assignment na pigilan nito si James Yap.
Napakahirap.
Mahirap na mahirap.
But if there's anyone in this Coca-Cola lineup who can do it, it's Colombia.
Yeah. Walang aspectos yung left-handed layup of James Yap.
Here's Kabagdon, hand off Colombia over to Telan, and he will go to Kabagdon. Kabagdon.